Good morning, student. Now today we solve exercise number 20D. Okay. Question number 1 is the parameter of the triangle is 450 meter and its sides are given in the ratio 12:5:13. Find the area of the triangle. Means parameter of the triangle is given and the ratio of the sides are given 12:5:13. So we have to find the area of the triangle. Okay. So suppose let the side of the triangle is ABC. Okay, and parameter of triangle is given 450. Means parameter means sum of all three sides is equal 450 given, and the ratio is given 12:5:13. 12, 5 and 13 are the ratios, so we can take A is equal 12x, B is equal 5x and C is equal 13x. A is equal 12x, B is equal 5x and C is equal 13x, because all three sides are given in the ratio 12:5:13. So the sum is given 450 because the parameter is given 450. 12 plus 5 plus 13 is equal 30x is equal 450 meter. So x is equal 15. When we divide by 30, so we get the answer x is equal 15. Now put the value of x. A is equal to 12x. We suppose that A is equal to 12. So 12 into x is equal what? 15. 12 into 15 is equal 180. Means A is equal 180 meter. B is equal 5x. So 5 into 15 is equal 75 meter. C is equal 13x. So 13 into 15 is equal 195 meter. So all the three sides A, B, C are 180 meter, 75 meter and 195 meter. Now you have to find the area of the triangle. The formula of area of triangle, the Heron's formula, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So first we find what is the value of S. S is equal A plus B plus C by 2. And what is the value of A plus B plus C? Means half parameter is given 450 divided by 2. So we get the answer 225. S given to 450 divided by 2. 225. S is equal 225. So put the value of S 225. S is equal 225. A is equal what? 180 meter. S 225. B is equal 75. S is equal 225. C is equal 195. Now 2 to 5 minus 180 45. 2 to 5 minus 75 150. 2 to 5 minus 195 30. We subtract the value. Now 225. 5 into 45 is equal 225. 45 same 150. 5 into 30 150 को 5 into 30 लिख सकते हैं into 30. Now to solve this factorization, 40 and 41 pair, 30 and 31 pair and 5 and 5 1 pair. So 5 into 45 into 30, multiply all the three numbers, so we get 6750 meter square. So this is the area of the triangle. This is the question number 1. Okay, actually in your syllabus, in all the chapter, the last exercise is the revision exercise. Okay, so 20D is the revision exercise of exercise number ABC, and B is not in your syllabus. Okay, so you have to solve only A and C questions, and in 20D only related to A and C exercise. Okay, now question number 7. Okay, the parameter of the semicircular plate is 158. Find its area. Semicircular plate. Semi means half. Understand? Semi means half. So this is the circular plate, half plate. The total circumferences of the circle is 2 pi r. Then the semicircular from this point to this point means half circumferences. Total circumferences is 2 pi r, but this is the half. From this point to this half means 2r. 2 pi r divided by 2 means pi r. This circumferences is pi r. So pi r plus this is the radius, this is the radius. So r plus r 2r means total parameter is pi r plus 2r. It is given 108. From this point to this point pi r, from this point to this point, r plus r 2r, so pi r plus 2r is equal 108. Take r common, so pi plus 2 is equal 100. Put the value of pi 22 upon 7 plus 2. Then take LCM, so 36 upon 7, cross multiplication, so 108 into 7, 36 3s are 100, 3 7s are 21, means radius will be 108, radius will be 21 centimeter. Now you have to find the area of semicircular. The area of circle is pi r square and the area of semicircle means half pi r square. So half pi r square, half, so pi means 22 upon 7, r is 21, 21 into 21, 7 3 are 21, 2 11 ja, 11 3 are 33 into 21, 33 into 21 is equal 693 centimeter square. Okay, so main thing is this, the parameter what, semicircular parameter pi r plus 2r, and the area of semicircle half pi r square. So you got the answer 693 centimeter square. Understand? Okay, now we solve question number 8. Two circles touch externally. Two circles touch externally. The sum of their areas is 130 square centimeter and the distance between their center is 14 centimeter. Suppose the radius of first circle r1 and radius of second circle is r2, and this is the center 1 and center 2. The distance between their center is given 14 centimeter. Means from this is the first center, this is the second center. So this distance is given 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. So r1 plus r2 is equal 14, and the sum of their areas is given 130 pi. Means the area of this circle is pi r1 square and area of this circle pi r2 square. So pi r1 square plus pi r2 square is given 130 pi. Take pi common, so r1 plus r2 square is equal 130 pi. Then pi and pi cancel, same. So r1 square plus r2 square is equal 130 pi. This is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. From equation 1 we find the value of r1, that is r1 is equal 14 minus r2. From this equation you can find the value of r1 is equal 14 minus r2. Transfer this. Now put the value of r1 in second equation. So in place of r1 write 14 minus r2 whole square plus r2 square plus 130. Now a minus b whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus first term square plus second term square minus 2 into first term into second term. Then r2 square is equal 130. 14 square is equal 196. R2 square plus R2 square 2R2 square 28 R2. Transfer this, so minus 130 equals 0. Then 196 minus 130 66. Take 2 common and divide it by 2. So R2 square minus 14 R2 plus 33 is equal 0, means divide by 2 in whole equation. Now factorize this equation. So 14 R2, so we can take 11 and 3. 11 minus 3 is equal 14 and 11 3s are 33. Now take R2 common, so R2 minus 11. Take minus 3 common, R2 minus 11. Then take R2 minus 11 common, so R2 minus 3. So we get two values, R2 is equal 11 and R2 is equal 3. Two values R2. Now we find the what is the value of R1. So the equation is R1 is equal 14 minus R2. So 14 minus R2, first value of R2 is 11. So 14 minus 11 is equal 3. Then second value of R2 is 3. So R1 is equal 14 minus 3 is equal 11. Means two values of R2, 11 and 3. Two values of R1, 3 and 11. So your answer will be, when you take 3 then R1 then R2 will be 11. When you take R1 11 then R2 will be 3, opposite. So answer will be 311 or 113. Understand? Okay. Now you solve rest of the question. Okay. Thank you.